Seb, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is another Kickstarter edition of the game. It's not one that I actually backed, but it's one that I jumped in on at the very last minute through like a competition that is being run by Clever Unicorn Games at the moment. This particular game actually comes from Clever Unicorn Games, so we are now going to be delving into the joys of Weird Alchemy. Right, so here we are with the box itself. It's quite a thick box, as you can see. So let's open this up and have a look at the box before we do anything else. This is a game for 2 to 8 players. It takes about 10-15 minutes to play, and it's for ages 14 up. As you can see, they've got like a very lizard looking skin there surrounding an eyeball, with the Clever Unicorn Games logo at the bottom, and that's what's on the back. So I'll pause it for a sec and let you have a look. There you go. Right, so I'm going to be opening this upside down, so I'll not be able to read what's on the cards if there is anything on the cards, at least not properly anyway. But let's take the cover off and have a look. Well, here we're starting off with the instructions. It's a very, very in-depth game, as you can tell. There we are. Next we have the cards. Now, as usual with card games, I'm not going to be going through every single card. What I will be doing is just letting you have a look at the majority of them. And now that I've got the wrapper done like this, I can't. There we are. Let me just put these to one side, and then we can have a look. So we have those cards. I think these allow you to pass cards to either the right or the left. These I think are called accident cards, if I remember rightly, or incident cards or something along those lines. That allows you to pass to your left. Again, either left or right, or a mishmash of different ways. As I said, I'm not really 100% sure. This allows you to pass to the right. Again, as I said, I'm not 100% sure on what actually happens in this game. I've not played it yet, but hopefully I'll get the chance to. And this is all weird mishmash of different characters, and in this case mix of mythological character and vegetable. We've got the Collyclops, yep, Cyclops and the cauliflower. And then we have the backfired card. You must cancel the effect of another fist or exclamation mark card if possible, whatever they are, I'm not sure yet. The Great All-Seeing Potato. More of the passing cards one way or another. Then we have the Fun Guy. The Alchemist Fred. Foul Zerker, as opposed to a Berserker. A False Alarm. You ignore the characters, work out what that icon is at the bottom there. Hopefully you can, but you ignore that. Yeah, I'm just going to show them what it says, show you what it says on there, because as I say, I'm struggling to read upside down, and I don't want to be doing too much at the moment because it's about 3:15 in the morning and everybody here's asleep, and I'm not, because I can't. So there we are. We'll just have a quick look through the different cards and what we have. There we are. Now hopefully we're going to get a game of this in once I've read the rules and worked out how to play it. There we are. The cards are quite nice and thick. Really decent quality, and they've got that nice eyeball with a very lizard-like skin there. They're not usual playing card size. They are different, a different size. There are a few marks on the back of them in some respects. Oh, no, that is a gold foil card, as you can see. I wonder if there's any more of those. Just got me thinking now. That is nice. Or whether that's, not sure whether that's a special Kickstarter exclusive card or what. But that's really quite nice. I think what you have to try and do with this, if I remember rightly from what I have read, is get rid of cards, except for the animal cards or the creature cards, and the last, or the person who scores the lowest at the end of the game actually wins. But as I say, I think that is quite probably a Kickstarter exclusive card. It looks really nice. It's the mouse dragon. I like that. So there we are. That is Weird Alchemy. That's a very nice little card game. A good mix of things. What was that? The wrapper of the cards. Just a nice little warm-up game until the proper games start off of an evening. But hopefully it'll be fun. So there we are. That is Weird Alchemy. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.